Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cat by Nagendra. In this video, we are going to design this part in SolidWorks. Let me enter into here, new part. Now, as you can see, we are having here isometric view and we are having top view and we are having here sectional front view and side view. Now, first I'll start here with this base shape and you can observe here one curvature profile is there. So here also we are having this circle shape only. So first we are going to create this base here. For that, on the front plane I'll go for sketch. To make it proper sketch, I'll create one horizontal for construction infinite length with reference to origin point. Then one vertical line with reference to this origin point. Now we'll create this shape. As you can see, this entire thing we need to create here. For that, line I'll start. I'm starting from somewhere here, horizontal, vertical, again this shape. So somewhere from here, one horizontal, one vertical, one more horizontal. Go forward, come backward, you will get one curvature here. Go back and come forward. As you can see, if you are going in this way, we are getting this circle center point exactly on horizontal axis. But here we are having with a distance of 38.7. So just I'll go for escape. I'll create manually by using 3-point arc here like this, somewhere here. Then again line from here, one horizontal line, vertical line straight to that existing line, again one more horizontal, go forward, come backward, one more curvature we want here, like this. Same here also, this point is getting coincide to this, just I will delete this coincidence relation, or else manually we can create one 3-point arc. Now we'll go for dimension. So before going to dimension, let me apply some relations here. Add relation between this line to this line with reference to center line. We need here symmetric relation. So symmetric is nothing but whatever the distance we are having from center line to one end, same distance will be applied for opposite side also. We'll make it symmetric. Then this center point should be exactly on this vertical axis. We'll make it here coincidence. Then this line and this line should be straight. We'll make it here collinear. Let's say okay. Then by using smart dimension, this horizontal small length we are having 60. Then this we are having 80. So this we need here 60 and this we need here 80. Then this vertical height we are having here 25. Let me give this height of 25. Then dimension for this inner arc we are having radius of 80. So just we'll make here dimension for this arc we need 80. Then add relation between this circle to this circle we need same center point. We'll apply here concentric relation like this. Then total dimension from starting to ending we are having 300. So the starting point to ending point we need here distance of 300. So if you want we can give this dimension or else just we can make it like this. Properly it will get like fully defined sketch. Then exit sketch. Make it features isometric view. We need to make this extrude boss by using mid plane. So we are maintaining axis system at center. Total this width we are having here, as you can see in front view you are able to see this shape dimensions and how much width we want, that we are able to see in top view or else in side view. Now we are able to see this total width we are having here 150. So just we'll make it here width of 150. Let's say okay. If we keep it front view by using Ctrl+1, this is the shape what we want. But if I keep it top view by using Ctrl+5, so we need this shape actually, but we have got rectangular shape. So now we are going to make this shape. For that, We need to draw one sketch on bottom face. Go for sketch, make it normal. So we need one circle here with diameter of 150 and small circle dimensions we are having radius of 25. Distance between 1 to 1 we are having here 250. Total 3 circles we want, one from origin and somewhere one more here like this. Then just to make proper constraint, we'll make it here construction horizontal line, then one vertical line to make it mirror possible like this. This point should be exactly on this, we'll make it coincidence. Dimension for this we are having diameter of 150. For this we are having radius of 25, diameter I'll give 50, mouse right click, display as radius. Then we need one inclined line tangent to this circle and tangent to this circle. So just we'll create one line like this. Then add relation between these two, we need tangent. Clear selection. Relation between these two also we need tangent. Let's say OK. Then just we'll go for mirror. We need to make mirror of this line with reference to this. Let's say OK. Again mirror, we need to make mirror of all these three profiles with reference to this vertical line. Let's say OK. This to this also we need here tangent relation. Now dimension we need from this point to this point. Total length we are having here 250. Just we'll give this dimension of 250 like this. By using quick trim, just we can trim this all unwanted elements. So we need only a single closed profiles. Just I'll trim all these unwanted elements like this. Then still profile is in under constraint. Just if we try to move this, as you can see, this point is moving. So it should be exactly on this line. We'll make it coincidence. Then again, if I try to drag here, relation is missing here. We can make it here tangent. Same here also we will drag that point. We need here tangent. Again same we will repeat here tangency relation. For this point also we need tangency relation. For this point also we need tangent relation. Now as you can see, fully defined sketch. Exit sketch. Make it isometric. With this shape we need if you look from top. So here we need to go for extruded cut. Now directly if I say OK, whatever the shape we have drawn, with that shape material is going to remove. But actually what we need here means whatever the shape we have drawn, with that shape material should be there, and whatever this extra material is there, it should be removed. So just I will go here with edit feature. Now to make it reverse, as we have discussed in before tutorials, we can use option called flip side to cut. And if I say OK, as you can see, whatever the shape we have drawn, that much shape is there. Remaining extra material will be removed here. So like this, you are able to create this base. Then extra this material we need to add, that entire thing we are having with circle shape of 150 from distance of 150. Now as already we know that we are not able to create sketch on this curved surface, but we are having here height of 150. So just we will create one reference plane from here. So we need here distance of 150, the two in reverse direction, flip offset. On this plane we will go for sketch, make it normal. Just we need one circle here with a diameter of 150. So as already we have given dimension for this 150, we can apply relation between these to make it as co-radial. Co-radial is nothing but it will create with the same dimension like this. Then just we'll make it here extrude boss. We need only up to next. Up to that next surface, properly material will be added like this. So this plane just we can hide. Then we need to create these holes. So we are having one counter bore hole, counter bore diameter 100, normal hole diameter 75, counter bore depth is 20. Now just I'll go for hole. We need here hole wizard. That too we need counter bore hole. Counter bore diameter we are having here 100. Counter bore depth we are having 20. Normal hole diameter we are having 75. Depth up to next. Go for position from here exactly at center point. Let's say okay. Then one more hole we are having with diameter of 25. So just we need here diameter of 25. Depth up to next. Position on this face exactly center of this curvature like this. Same this side also we want exactly center point of this. Let's say okay. Now if I keep it top view by using Control plus 5, we got the shape. Then again if I make it here section view with reference to front, and if I make it Control plus 1 front view, you are able to get this section view. And if I make it Control plus 4, and if I make cut section with reference to this side plane, you are able to see the proper shape. So like this we are able to create this part design. And if you want to apply material, as you can see on tree display, you can go for material. You can apply whatever the material you want like this. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting. If any doubts you have regarding this, please let me know in comment box. And if you feel this video is informative, please like and share to your friends to whom it will be useful. Thank you so much.